guys, it's Lila. Today on 7 Supergirls is all about coffee and something else. Coffee. And today I'm just at home homesick, but don't tell my mom because she'll get really mad at me and people will go on 7 Supergirls and go to subscribe, and they have to subscribe my mom because this is how we have to